I'm going to show you our step-ups. Key to this exercise is not cheating with momentum and keeping good hip and knee alignment. So commonly what we'll see is people momentum up and either kick off this back leg and then just momentum down, or they kind of let this whole hip kick out thing happen, or this knee dive in. So we don't want to do that. So what we want to do is put our foot on front. You're pushing through this foot, thinking about getting tall through the glute of the leg you're standing on. You come up and ideally balance, and then back down. And then over time, you can add weight and you can press overhead. If balance is an issue, you can start out just by stepping up on it with each foot and down, and then ultimately once you get the balance better, you can go from there. From a side view, it looks like this. And so the key is you're thinking about going straight up and down, and what I don't want you to do is I don't want you to lean back like this. You should be straight up and down through that glute. So there's our step ups.